Very good morning, and you are welcome to the presentation of a video. This is Suresh Babu MG from Government State College. Today, the date you all know, 13th January 2023. Let me share this presentation, video presentation. So kindly check here. This is first semester BCom examination, May 22. It was held previously as per NEP. It is not from our university. It is from Bangalore Central University. But the maximum marks is 60. But don't follow this format. Let us see only the questions which were asked. So this don't look it, okay? Leave it. 60 marks. First main EA section. So 2 marks each question, okay? Give the meaning of financial accountancy or accounting. Okay, so try to answer this question. What is revenue expenditure? Please write this question as well. Revenue expenditure is the expenditure which is recorded in profit and loss account or statement, which is of small amount. If asset is 1,50,000, liabilities are 1 lakh, find out the amount of capital. So, liabilities plus capital is equal to assets, right? Assets is how much? 1 lakh, right? Liabilities how much? Liabilities, assets are 1.5 lakhs, correct? Liabilities 1 lakh. And how much it should be? This is the common question. The answer would be 50,000. This is 50K. I am writing. What is this? Amount of capital is 50,000. Okay, that's the answer. Let us see. What is account sales? Right? See, account sales is the document prepared by the accountant, which contains the sales details. That's it. What is the meaning of dependent branch? Dependent branch is such a branch which does not prepare its accounts, correct? No? But dependent branch, its accounts are prepared completely by the head of, head office, right? So that is a head branch. And a dependent branch receives all kinds of instructions from the head office, right? Then state any 2 elements of lease. Lease, you don't have this question. Okay. So anyhow, lease, it is agreement. Hire purchase, right? So in a hire purchase, it contains name of the hire purchaser, hire vendor, terms, conditions, everything. Give the meaning of hire purchase. You know it very well. It is the purchase system under which the hire purchaser is going to take the delivery of goods without paying the full amount. Initially, he agrees to pay some portion in the form of down payment, remaining agrees to pay in installments. After the payment of all the installments, the buyer becomes the owner. So hire purchase means it is the purchase of assets by the hire purchaser from hire vendor without getting the transfer of ownership. Okay? The amount will be payable in installments. After the payment of last installment, ownership in assets will be transferred from the hire vendor to hire purchaser. Okay. Next, mention any 4 recent trends in accounting. So trends in accounting, you need to mention, but we don't have that particular in our syllabus as far the syllabus is concerned about, because their syllabus may be different. Give the meaning of accounting concept. Briefly explain. money measurement concept. This is the homework for you. Okay. These questions are homework. Please answer and send me on your what? On my mail. Okay. This consignment we don't have. Okay. They have consignment. Okay. Branch account we have. Fourth question C. So here balances branch. This is opening stock. Petty cash opening. Goods sent to branch. Cost price 8 lakhs. Okay. Goods sent to branch 2021 40,000, 20,000, 40,000, 4,000. This is what? Cash, sorry, not goods. Remittances from branch balances. Okay. What is this? You need to prepare Bangalore, Mysore branch account in the books of. This is also homework sum, which is very easy to solve. If you want the internal assessment marks to be given fully, then everybody should solve and send the answer to me. Then 1st April 2020, Prabhakar obtains a machine under hire purchase system. Following particulars are provided. Cash price 2,65,000. Down payment 65,000, isn't it? Okay. So 2,65,000 minus 65 means balance is 2 lakhs. Right. Installment amount 1,30,000 at the end of first year, 1,15,000 second year at the end of second year, only 2 years. So that is 1,30,000 plus 1,15,000. Total how much? 2,45,000. What is balance here? Balance is 2 lakh. Difference is what? 45,000. That is what? Interest. For how many years? 2 years. First year 30,000, second year 15,000. Interest is charged at 15% per annum. Okay. Find the amount of interest included in each installment. It is very, very easy, isn't it? So what you can do? You can say 1,30,000 here. 1 lakh is the principal, 30,000 is the interest. How come? See, cash price. Let me show you here. Cash price 2,65,000, correct? Minus down payment. How much? 0.65. 65, 1 minute. Balance is 2 lakhs. Right. This is balance. And first year interest. Correct. First year interest. 10%. 10%, 2 lakhs. That is 30,000. Total 2.30. Correct. 2 lakhs 30,000. This is the total. Minus first installment. Installment inclusive of interest. So 1 lakh plus 30,000. Right. So that is 130 minus how much you get? 1 lakh, which is balance. Plus second year interest. Interest. What rate? 15%. 15% of 1 lakh is 0.15. That is 15,000. 1 lakh, 15,000 total, right? Less second installment, which they have said 1.15. Balance is nil. Okay. So first year interest 30,000. Second year interest 15,000. Okay. That's it. Next. Write a note on human resource accounting. It doesn't cover our syllabus. Define accounting and steps in accounting process. Okay, which you can try, right? Generally, you search from the net and prepare and write it. Okay. This is not there. Don't worry. Consignment you don't have. Okay. Mysore branch. Yes, the goods are sent to branch at cost plus 25%. Cost plus 25%, he has given 1 by 4. You need to convert 1 by 5th. Okay. So 1/4/2020. Invoice price stock. This is invoice price. Correct. Debtors 2,40,000, petty cash 2,000, outstanding rent. Opening you have, correct. So in the branch account, on liability side, you should write outstanding rent. Debit side, you should write stock, debtors, petty cash. Goods sent to branch, invoice price, right? There is profit involved in it. Okay. Invoice price. Okay. Cash sent, 80,000, 20,000, 12,000, 25,000. You know it. Remittances, cash sales collection from debtors. Very easy. Easy. Balances have been lost. Okay. Debtors closing balance is given. Petty cash. Okay. Cash collected from debtors is also given. No need to prepare. Just to prepare the Mysore branch account in the books of Bangalore head office. This is the homework. Please do this. Okay. Yes. Next, 10th question. On 1st April 2006, Mr. Gangadhar obtains a machine or a hire purchase system particulars. Down payment 3,20,000. Balance in 3, first, second, third year, respectively. Annual installment of 3,90,000, 3,60,000, 3,30,000. Interest is charged at 10% per annum. This is 10 by 110. Correct interest. Machinery is to be depreciated 20% per annum under diminishing balance method. Okay. Prepare machinery account depreciation account in the books of Mr. Gangadhar under asset accrual method. Very easy. What is not given to you? Cash price is not given. First, calculate cash price. Cash price calculate. Okay. What is the? So, installment number. First column. You know it. Correct. Then closing balance. Then installment amount. Then interest, total. Right? Then interest. Interest, you have to divide 10 divided by 110. This is opening balance. After finding the last year's opening balance, what you need to do? Add down payment. Okay. Now you get cash price. After getting the cash price, calculate depreciation. Okay. For 3 years. Diminishing balance method. Reducing balance method. Calculate cash price. Okay. Cash price of each installment. This is no principal. You need to calculate principal amount. Right. Right. So this is the homework sum. You could do it. Everyone I require to do it. Okay. Again, this I will explain. You need to answer. Yeah. Mr. Sharat started business on 1/4/2021 in the name Sri Enterprises by using accounting equation. Show the effect of the following transaction on assets, liabilities, and capital. Okay. So very simple. However you want, whichever the method is convenient, do it. Initial capital invested 1 lakh rupee. Correct. So first transaction, what is this? How you want, you can write. Okay. So asset side, cash 1 lakh rupee. Liabilities plus capital. Under the capital, 1 lakh rupee. Shop advance 15,000 rupees paid to the landlord. So you are making the payment. So that means it is the expenditure, right? So from the capital, minus 15,000. From the cash, minus 15,000. So you get 85,000, 85,000, correct? First transaction, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Second transaction total 85. Purchase furniture worth 5,000 for use in the business. So on capital and liability side, there is no effect. So on asset side, there is minus 5,000, okay, from the cash. Then plus 5,000 in the furniture, correct? No? This transaction, see this 1 lakh is equal to 1 lakh. This is cash, this is capital, okay? This is asset, this is liabilities plus capital. This is a first. Second transaction. Simply I am explaining you, you need to do it neatly. So 15,000 rupees paid to landlord. This is shop advance you are paying, correct? So that means from 1 lakh, 15,000 if you subtract, you get 85,000, right? Which is capital. So cash, cash 1 lakh you have written, minus 15,000, 0.85 means 85,000. This is the cash. So 85. Third transaction. Capital remains 0.85, 85,000 only, no change. But on asset side, cash from 85,000, right, minus 5,000, it becomes 80,000, correct? Point, I have written point. So 0.05, 5,000 is. Then liabilities side, here on asset side, you have furniture 5,000, 0.5. So here get 85. Liability side 85,000, no change. So fourth one, purchase goods worth rupees 80,000 for the purpose of resale. You are purchasing, right, goods worth rupees 80,000 for resale. That means cash you had how much? 80,000. Now on asset side, you will not have cash at all because 80,000 becomes 0. Instead of that, you get the goods, that is a stock. Stock 80,000, 5,000 furniture, and liability side there is no change. 85 is the total. Sold a part of goods for rupees 1,30,000. So now you are selling part of goods, right? How much? He has not said it. Yeah, there is profit. We shall assume how much goods, yes. There is no, okay. So in stock, you may make it 0 and cash make it 1,30,000. There is profit, right? 50,000 profit, which will be added to capital. So both the sides, you get 1,35,000 and 1,35,000. So with that, you cash 36,000 rupees for domestic purposes. Okay, you are withdrawing. So from capital minus 36,000, from cash minus 36,000. Incur the following business expenses: rent 4,800, electricity 1,200, total 6,000. So from the capital minus 6,000, from cash also minus 6,000. That's it. Do it as homework, right? For more, we'll just catch it in the class and discuss. I hope you understand better the question paper discussion. So like, share, subscribe, write the comment, and send me the feedback. Thank you. The homework, whatever I have said, do it.